Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your number for outgoing calls on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you want to hide your caller ID from your call recipients, go to Phone app, then click on three dots, go to Settings, then go to Supplementary Services, show your caller ID and set it to Never. And from now on, whenever you're making a call, your recipient won't see your number. Let's do it. When I make a call, then my recipients see that it's a private number. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.